Suppose you and your friend want to make a get together in any restaurant or any picnic spot, but you reach on that spot easily and quickly, but your friend still now can't got that space because he don't know that place there, and for that reason now he can't reach on the spot still now. So now what you can do to take him on that spot easily and the quickest possible time? To do this here, you can share your that current location that where you are still now stay there with your friend by the Google Map. So how you can share that space or that place with your friends, in that video guys I'm going to talking with you about. Hi, I'm Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. Before just starting with this video with you, I just quickly request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start my this video with you. So guys, first of all, to do this here we need to on our internet connection by our Wi-Fi or our any mobile data. Now after that here you need to on another thing is that from here you need to on your location. That means the geolocation, if it's off then you need to on it there, and then now your thing will be started. So from here you need to go to on that Google Map and open that Google Map there, and after that here you need to get on your current location there. So for that here you need to click on that current location to track your location on there, and after that here it is, it's your location is there. Now here you need to tap on that blue icon there so that it will be selected there, and you need to tap it there, and after that whenever it will be show here a dialog box direction start and share. From here you need to click on that share to share that, and now here it is guys. Here you have a lot of options are there, like the Gmail account which you have already in with them, and here it is guys, they have some social medias too. The messages you can send it by your messenger, WhatsApp, Facebook, and if you now want you can just copy that clipboard and then you can paste it there wherever you want. And from here you can also send it on the Gmail, Imo, and the Instagram too. And whenever after just click on the tab, that time it will be okay to your friend, and then you need to select the person. Suppose here I just send it to her with the WhatsApp. Now after that here, suppose here I want to select him, send him to. Now after that here I just go to the send and it will be sent there. The location is there. Now click here to get the location, and by that click on that link he will get that location and he will be track me now. So here it is guys, before just ending of this video I just request you please don't use this method in any type of abusive way. So this is the ending of this video. Guys, what's about this video? Is it really helpful for you? And if it's so, then I request you please like this video and share this video with your friends and comment below on this video and so on. So that's all from me guys. We will meet in our next video. Hope you will work that time. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.